Question 3, we've been given a log expression and we've been asked to show that this simplifies to a quadratic in x. To do that, I need a single log on the left-hand side and a single log on the right-hand side. Otherwise, I can't anti-log the equation. So I've written a couple of the log laws that we're going to use, and let's apply them to this equation now. So using that law, I can group these first two terms together, and I get log to the base 2 of x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 10. And this is equal to. Now, we need to express 2 in a log base 2. So if I'm to express 2 in the form of a log, I can say that the log base 2 of a number must be equal to 2. So if I anti-log this with respect to 2, I get that x is equal to 2 squared. So the 2 has become raised on the base of our log, which is 2. So this is equal to 4. So this is log to the base 2 of 4 plus 2 log to the base 2 of x. So I've got some further work to do on the right-hand side. Using the second law, this term becomes log to the base 2 of x squared, and this will multiply by 4. So this will turn out to be the log base 2 of 4x squared. That's using both of these two log laws that I've got written up here. I've achieved what I wanted, which was two log terms defining the left-hand side and the right-hand side of the equation. I can simply take anti-logs and get rid of the logs. And this is what I get. So if I now expand the left-hand side and bring all the terms together on that left-hand side and make the whole equation equal 0, I get this, which is what we were asked to prove. So in part B, we've been asked to write down the roots of this quadratic, which means factorizing. And you can either do that on a calculator or by inspection, and it does actually factorize fairly easily, and you'll get these two factors. So in the usual way, x is equal to negative 5 over 3, or x is equal to 6. And those are the two roots. So in the second part of B, we've been asked to state which of the two roots we've got here is not a possible solution to our equation, and we have to give a reason for our answer. Well, if you look at the original expression, at one point here, we've been asked the log of x. Now, you cannot take logs of a negative number, which would mean that this solution would have to be rejected. So writing that down, that will be the answer for the second part of part B.